Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Into this video, I am going to show you how to see your Roblox password step by step in 2025. Whether you forget your password or just want to double click it on your device, I will got you covered. Okay, let's start it. For more next step properly. First, click on the your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the Google and subscribe. Select your Gmail. Scroll down. Now click on the password manager. See. Now click on the roblox.com. Your Roblox password. Now click on the your Roblox password. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.